I'm finally here. 100 subscribers on my and YouTube sent me this package that I'm really excited about. I didn't know if it was going to come early or late, but I mean I hit 100 subscribers yesterday and it just came in, so I really think they wanted to get this to me. So we're going to unbox it. We're going to box it here. So it comes in a nice cardboard thing. See, it's only 2 layered, meaning that they probably that's why they sent it so quickly. But it also has this nice silk fabric. It feels like paper, but it's not paper. It's silk. So you have to lift that out very carefully. Maybe we want to return it. You did it! 100 subs, aka JS. Wait, no, down. Here it is, guys. The silver, the cardboard play button from YouTube. It looks like it's taped in, but we're gonna cut it open now because we're on what's inside.